Hello pet parents! Do you know that cats impose nutrient tends to increase their appetite but have lower metabolism rate? Thus, the risk of being overweight is higher for this group of cats. But not to worry because Royal Canin Sterilised37 has got your cat covered. This product is suitable especially for neutered cats from 1 to 7 years old. After your cat has been neutered, a change of diet is required to ensure that the nutrients she consumes supports her altered energy needs. Sterilised37 contains a moderate level of fat to help your cat in maintaining an ideal body weight after she has been sterilized when served in adequate daily rations. Just so you know, this product is enriched with L-carnitine that helps to burn excess fat and produce energy. What's more, Sterilised37 also contains a carefully considered balance of minerals that help to support and maintain a healthy urinary system for your cat, while the increased protein content in this food helps to maintain your cat's healthy muscle mass. Oh, and a gentle reminder, when changing to a new food for your cat, you should do it gradually over the span of 7 to 10 days. You may mix new kibbles to existing kibbles to introduce the new food, gradually increasing the proportion of the new food until the pet is fed exclusively on the new diet. If your cat refuses, you should consult your veterinarian for alternatives. Alright pet parents, we hope this video has helped you understand more about your neutered cat's diet and nutrition needs. Find out where you can get this or any other Royal Canin products now.